think when it comes to that issue, that a 3 years graduate will not get admission, because this statement, it came from the government. I dare issue a notification, then we will see. Yes, you're the lawmaking authority. You're supposed to speak something which is, you're talking about NEP outside NEP. So, you're the minister, you're the chief minister, you're the advisor of so many advisors. We know how do you get, since have already tell in the whole world how you get it. Issue a notification and then we'll see. Just like they did to teachers, you know? The famous state education policy in the state of Meghalaya 2 times had been struck down by the High Court. So now issue a notification saying that 3 years will not be allowed. And those universities who have not even themselves implement NEP, if they dare to say that they will not be allowed, we will see. As I told you right from the beginning, even Nehu itself has accepted this so-called hybrid. Will Nehu now issue notification that after 3 years, if you don't do a 4-year, we will not accept a master degree? No, because those are not facts. Those is something that they just want to put fears into the mind. Last but not the least, from HYC also, we want to make ourselves very clear. Even though we have a lot of concern on NEP, even though we have a lot of issue on NEP, at this point of time, we are not in a position to even oppose it, because it's already been been passed. So what we are concerning is that we cannot see that something is implemented and then regret, and those students will not go nowhere and they will be suffering. Now, as I spoke to so many students, they say that we don't even have books. Teachers don't even have books. So what are we doing here? Teachers don't have books, students don't have books. I don't know what are you doing here? So that's why most of the state, like Karnataka and all, where we know the where in what level, they're starting withdrawing this. So who we are to even think about it? And now they're talking about NEP even at the school level. So this is something very serious. So at the end of the day, it is our fault. It is the fault of the Meghalaya electorate who has put them into those chairs. Now we are facing the music even in the absence of the syllabus in the music department. Thank you.
I just say, I remember a dialogue in Sholay, where they say, "Khana khao, nahi to gabbar aayega." So it is like that. Take NEP, otherwise. But I just tell you that out of 1,000 universities that we have, it is only 100 universities which said we'll go ahead with the NEP this year. So many of the universities say we'll go next, and some of the universities say we will not go. Will not go. Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka recently, this one, West Bengal, they are openly saying that we don't want NEP. Can you say that they will lag behind the rest of India? They say our education policy is better than NEP. What is that we have to learn from you? You learn from us. That is what they are saying. So to say that if you don't follow that, it happens, nothing happens. Provided the education that you are giving is very good, whether it is state education or any education, if the foundations are good, if the syllabus is valid, if the teachers teach properly, and if the students follow it properly, and they can do well. Because every year you get jobs, not seeing the degree, but on the basis of your performance in the exams, civil service exams and other exams. For that, the foundation should be good. Once the foundation is good and your degree is valid, there is nothing to worry. Whether you are from a state university or a central university, you can compete. So nothing to get worried about, oh, if I don't have 4-year degree, I will not get job. Nothing of that sort. Even if you have 4-year degree, if your intelligence is below the level and if you have not understood anything, you are not going to get job. So let it be clear. Thank you.